Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we are featuring a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. As we go through this car, I just want to show you this car is extremely clean, very clean. If you look at the bumpers, no scuffs, no scratches, no marks of any kind, very nice. The hood is also pretty clean. A couple little chips right here, but understandable for 2013. As we go through it, it does have all-season Goodyear tires matching all around with excellent tread. Side of the car is in good shape. As we go to the back tire, you also see it is a matching tire. Back of the car is also in good shape. The bumper is pretty clear of any kind of scratches or of any kind. Very faint here, it could be just a brush mark, but nothing serious. No paint peeling, no bumper pushed in anywhere. Very clean overall. Trunk lid as well, very good. The top of the car also, you can see the reflection of the sky. It's a nice clean car. Again, here's your passenger rear tire, plenty of tread. Side of the car is also very clean, and there's your front passenger tire. It's a very clean car overall. Let's look in the interior. As you see, the back seats, they are a light color, and if you look, they're in very good condition. No rips, tears, cigarette burns of any kind. Same thing with the door panel. If we look at the headliner, it's also clean. Car does have a good odor, no smells any type. Does not look like there was a smoker in this car. As we look to the back, it does have, oh, by the way, we did replace the alternator, so there's your part right there. And you can see it's got the rubber mats and it's got the regular mats. So it does have the mats for the car. It does have the tools underneath. As we look to the front seat's also in very good shape, and so is the passenger seat. It's a very clean car overall. Let's start her up. And we're going to tell you exactly how many miles she has. This car is very clean, but if you're looking for low mileage, this is not the car. Because this car does have 180,000 miles. Don't let the miles kid you, don't let the miles fool you. The car runs spectacular. It does have a decent radio. I believe it has any kind of XM or anything, but it does have some good media stuff that you can add. AC blows cold, heat blows warm. Everything is functional, all the windows are working. So it is a good car, very good car. Let's rev her up a little bit. No check engine lights on. Let's pop the hood. As you can see, this engine's nice and quiet. Here's your VIN number on the fender. There's your VIN number on the fender. Original fender. Engine sounds spectacular. Very clean. Sounds good. Again, here we have a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Give us a call. Very good, reliable, great running car, very well maintained. Give us a call. 2013 Hyundai Elantra, 201-440-1323. You can also view our entire inventory at www.carconnectiononline.com. If you look at the sign to the left, that's www.carconnectiononline.com. Ask about our finance options. We also offer warranties on all our vehicles, including this one, and every car in the dealership, and our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe, and thank you for viewing this video.